Another day, another pile of reports. How am I supposed to track hiring performance like this?
Sarah's team was losing time on manual tracking, struggling with time to fill, cost per hire, and candidate pipeline insights. That's when Rushi, an ATS expert, stepped in.
Sarah, what if I told you there's a way to track every hiring metric in real time? Advanced ATS analytics eliminates the guesswork. Live dashboards for instant insights. AI-powered tracking to identify hiring bottlenecks. Automated reports, no more spreadsheets.
Wait, so I can get accurate hiring data instantly?
Exactly, and that's just the start.
With advanced ATS analytics, Sarah's team transformed their hiring game. Faster, data-driven decisions reduced hiring costs with automation. No more guesswork, just clear, actionable insights. You have a choice. Stay ahead with the Pivotal Leap ATS webinar, or continue struggling while others hire smarter and faster. Which side will you be on? Join the Pivotal Leap ATS webinar. Link in the description.